A very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine once again. Yes, today I'm gonna predict about the natural gas, S&P 500, Nasdaq 100 futures, US Tech 100 copper, S&P 500 Bitcoin, gold, silver, and natural gas also. So let me start predicting about these indices and commodities right now. So now first let me start with S&P 500. See, let me tell you that S&P 500 can test a level of 6880 today. 6880. Yes, S&P 500 can never test a level of 6880. Currently it is trading at 6907. It can test a level of 6880. US Tech 100 can test a level of 25,305. Nasdaq 100 futures can test a level of 25,505. See, gold can cross $80 today. Yes, there is a strong possibility of silver crossing $80 today. So I'm talking about silver. Silver can cross a level of $80 today. There is a strong possibility of silver crossing a level of $80 today. There is a strong possibility, yes, and it can go to a level of $80.30. $80.30. So that is what I wanted to tell you all about the predictions of silver. Gold today, there is a possibility of gold crossing 4503. 4503 today. Yes, there is a strong possibility at means silver crossing a level of $80.30 and gold crossing a level of 4503. There is a strong possibility of it crossing that level. Currently it is trading at 4485, so it is very much there. So just let me see now. The next on my list is, see, as I am telling you, silver is already touching that level. Can you see that? People who can see that, please just press the like button. Bitcoin would be, see, let me tell you, I have been telling you all that I am bearish on natural gas, and a level of $3 is imminent on natural gas. Is imminent. $80, yes, almost there. Silver is almost $80. When I started this YouTube session, it was $79.63, and now it is almost at $80, and it's going to go to a level of $80.30. $80. Go and see. Right now it is trading at $80. Yes. And it's going to touch a level of $80.30. My first target would be $80.30 and the second target would be $80.80. And gold is going to touch a level of 4503 today. That is my prediction about gold and silver today. People who want to join me on my WhatsApp group to get daily predictions, regular predictions, you all are most welcome to contact me, and my secretary Mr. Kalidas shall respond to you accordingly. My charges for weekly predictions of any two instruments, Nasdaq or gold, silver or Nasdaq 100, or silver or US Tech 100, any two, one commodity or one index, you can buy, you can opt for that. You have the options to get predictions on two things, either on two indices or on two commodities, or one index and one commodity, as you all wish. See, crude oil, I've been telling you all, it is moving towards $60.20, currently trading at 58.65. I told you all this when crude was trading at $55.60. Sorry, 50 cents. So that is my prediction. See, S&P 500 is now trading at its highest point of the day, 6919. But there is a strong possibility of S&P 500 falling to a level of 6880. Possibility. There's a strong possibility. So I think I've covered most of the questions, means most of the things. Okay, my prediction regarding copper has come true. I had told you all at $55.50 that copper is going to cross $6, and as you can see on your trading screen, it has already crossed $6.06. So that is the kind of predictions I give you all. Yes, people have been making a lot of money through my predictions, listening to my predictions. Yes. Crude oil is almost there, my target. It's almost up by $3. Crude oil. So this is the kind of astrological and numerological predictions I give you all. Mr. Vijay Kumar has a question. Silver update. It is going to touch a level of $80.80 very soon. Mr. Vijay Kumar. Bharti Gyan. Yes, I am here to answer your questions. Please ask me regarding any American stocks or any commodity. You're most welcome to ask me. Mr. Bharti Gyan, Arav Vlogs, crude oil. I have already told you, crude oil is moving towards $60.20. By Fridays. Mr. Sahil writes, is there any pullback in middles by Friday? By Friday. Today is Tuesday, I think, right? Yeah. Possible. Mr. Sahil, there is a lot of possibility. Definitely. Mr. Arun, there is a pullback in precious metals by Friday. I have no doubt about it. Gold can touch a level of 4416 this week. 4416 by Friday. there is a strong possibility of the gold falling to a level of 4416 by Friday. So crude, I have spoken about crude oil WTI. My predictions were for crude oil WTI. See, please check your screens. Silver has already touched a level of $80.15. 15. As I was just speaking, it has already gone up by around 55-60 cents. 4503 is my level for gold. S&P 500, I think there is a possibility of S&P 500 touching a level of 4880. This is my prediction for today. I have spoken about all the indices, and Bitcoin, if you want to buy, today is, a bullish day for Bitcoin. So any dip towards 93,000 should be a buying opportunity for you. Somewhere between $92,500 and $93,000. $92,500 and $93,000. Somewhere in between that you can buy Bitcoin today. It's going to be a positive day for the Bitcoin. Silver already up by 4.61%. So silver has already touched a level of $80.20. See, when I started this live streaming, it was trading at $79.60. Your target of 6 achieved. Copper, your target of 6 achieved. Yes, it has been achieved. I have been telling you all that copper is going to rally, and it has rallied a lot. It has rallied a lot. There is no problem with this rally, and it's going to go up further. So if you get a level of around, say, $5.73, you can buy there, copper. If it drops to a level of $5.73, you can buy there, Mr. Sahil. See, all my targets are getting achieved as I'm doing this live streaming. All my targets are getting achieved right now. Right now. You don't have to wait for tomorrow or for 2 hours. It has got achieved right now. Can you see that? This is the kind of predictions I give you all. This is the kind of predictions I give you all, my astrological and numerological predictions. So people who want to contact me to show me their horoscope, or you want to get daily predictions regarding any index or commodity, you're most welcome to contact me. You're most welcome to contact me. Yes, and I want to tell you all that S&P 500 is going to touch a level of 7,000 very soon. 7,000 is very much likely now. It's a matter of time before S&P 500 touches a level of 7,000. If there is any bearish trends in the future, I'll inform you all about that also. About that also. So, what I want to tell you all is that copper, I am bullish. Natural gas, I am bearish. Silver, gold, I am bullish. Bitcoin, today I am bullish. Copper, again I am very bullish on copper, as I told you. See, you have to keep your eyes on one stock in the American markets, that is Robinhood markets. This stock is currently trading at 121. If you you get this particular stock somewhere in the region of $80 to $85, just buy it. Don't wait. If you buy this stock at $80 to $85 and if you can hold this stock for the long term, there is no way you can lose money. No, you cannot. You cannot. You just cannot lose money. But if provided, the caveat here is that you have to hold it for the long term. Yes, you have to hold it for the long term. It's not, you'll have to, it can happen in a 6 months or 1 year time. If you get that kind of, suppose if you get a level of around 80, 85 during this year, in the year 2026, you will see yourself making money on this particular stock. So I would always, you see, before you buy this particular stock, please listen to your financial advisor, your stock market expert, whoever you consult with, because this is my astrological and numerological prediction. So the S&P 500 has been going up and it is at the highest point of the day. Now I want to start talking about y'all. Let me tell y'all that you have something special in you. You have greatness within you. Yes, you have that. So you'd ask me, what do you mean by that? How does that greatness help me? I'll tell you how. You can become anything you want. You can become anything you want. So, if you start focusing on your goals and dreams today, and if you keep your focus on one thing, whether it is the stock market or anything, you want to become a lawyer, doctor, engineer, whatever, businessman, whatever, you want to go into any finance in a finance job, whatever you want to do, if you keep your focus on one thing, that one thing will give you everything. So if you focus on becoming a lawyer, suppose, that law degree, once you start practicing, will give you your bungalow. It will give you your car. It will give you your apartment. It will give you money. It will give you fame. It will give you, if you want to travel around the world, it will give you that. It will give you everything. So keep your focus on one thing. Whether you want to become a strong player in the stock market, do that. Stay focused and you will see the results. It's not something, it's going to happen overnight. Never think that it's going to happen overnight. Don't ever think that. That would be an illusion. Yes, that would be an illusion. Complete illusion that things will happen overnight for you. No. You will have to go through the trials. You will have to go through the tribulations. You will have to go through the ups and downs of that life, of that journey towards your goals and dreams. And then only you will accomplish your goals and dreams. It is not going to be easy. Yes, it is simple, but it's not easy. It's not easy. If you think that you will get your goals and dreams immediately in the stock market, you are staying in a cloud cuckoo land. You are living in an illusion. So, see, the destination is not important. The process towards that destination is important. Because what you become in the process is what matters most. What you become in the process of achieving your goals and dreams. For what it will make of you to achieve that, to accomplish that dream and goal. That is what matters. You will become a very strong person. Once you face the ups and downs of life, the trials and tribulations of life, then you will handle any success when you reach at it. Yes. You will know the ins and outs of that particular field, whether it is stock market, whether it is a business, whether it is a job, whether you want to become an engineer, doctor, whatever you want to become. So keep your focus on one thing, and that one thing will give you everything. People, what they do is that today they want to do stock market, tomorrow they want to do gold and silver, the third day they want to do some business, the fourth day they want to do some job. This is not the way life works. This is not the way life works. Focus is the main thing. Focus on one thing. So if you keep getting distracted by other things, then you are not going to make it in this thing called life. If you have your inheritance, or if you have plenty of money, then that is a separate issue. That is borrowed success. That is not your success. Yes, you've got the money, you've got the $1 million, you've got the millions and billions of dollars. Yes, that is okay. I understand you are a millionaire and a billionaire. But no. That is borrowed success. As simple as that. As simple as that. If you want to become successful yourself, if you say that I want to become something, then you will have to make a lot of sacrifices. You will have to give up many things in your life. You will have to say no to many things in your life. You will have to say many things. You will have to say no to many things in your life. You will have to make all the sacrifices in the world. You will have to become unidimensional, one dimension. You have to just chase one thing. Chase one thing. But if you try to chase two rabbits at the same time, then you will not catch either one. See, the process is not very simple to achieve success. It's not simple. People might tell you, oh, it's very simple. No. The fact of the matter is that you have to go through something to get to something. You have to go through something to get to something. You will have to go through the trials, tribulations, the fiery furnaces of this world. And then you will achieve and accomplish your personal success. And it will never happen overnight. It will never happen in a jiffy. It will not happen right now. So, a lot of hard work, blood, sweat and tears as they call. You'll have to give a lot of blood, sweat and tears behind that goal and dream. And then there will be a lot of hurdles, barriers, obstacles coming in front of you. But you have to navigate those hurdles, barriers and obstacles and move forward in your life. It's not very easy. It is simple, not very easy. If you want to do something substantial in your life, then you will have to do the hard things. Like I always say, that if you do something easy, your life is gonna be hard. But if you do something hard, your life is gonna be easy. Yes. If you do something easy, your life is gonna be hard. But if you do something hard, your life is gonna be easy. So, always, when you have two paths in your life, make sure you choose a path which is more dangerous than the other path. Which rings a bell in your heart, which tells you that you want to do this particular thing. When your heart and mind tells you that I want to do that particular thing, even if it is dangerous, do that. Don't choose the convenient, the easy. Don't use the sophisticated. No, that way you will never reach your goals and dreams. If you want to, the harder you work, the luckier you become. The fact of the matter is that the harder you work, the luckier you become. And nothing works until you do. Yes. If you work, things will work for you. Money will come. You will become successful. You will get your car. You will get your home. But if you don't work, nothing will work for you, however much you try. And if somebody tells you that, convinces you that you mustn't do a certain thing which you want to do, and if you agree with them, then you don't have any goals and dreams in your life. If somebody tells you don't do a certain thing, oh, it is too dangerous, it is too hard, it is too difficult, and if you listen to them and you stop doing, and if you stop chasing your goals and dreams, then in the first place you don't have a goal or dream. Yes. See, the fact is that everything crumbles in the end. Yes, everything falls apart in the end. Nations building institutions. And one more thing falls apart. Everything falls apart. Including you and me will fall apart. We will crumble. You know that, right? This is not rocket science. But before we crumble, before we check out of this planet Earth, before we see death, we have to do something in this thing called life. We were sent on this planet Earth to do something meaningful. Yes, to make a difference in this world, to make this world a better place than what we got. Than what we got from our ancestors. Than what we got from our previous generation. We must leave this world a better place than when we got this world, when we entered this world. Make sure you do that. And your contribution is a must. If you haven't contributed to this world to make it a better place, then your life is simply a waste. And try to live for others, not only yourself. Take responsibility for your own life. Yes, take responsibility for your own decisions. Don't try and blame somebody for your failures. Don't do that. Don't point a finger at somebody, because if you point a finger at somebody, 3 fingers are pointing back at you. So you take responsibility. Take responsibility for your decisions, for your failures. And don't blame anybody for anything. And don't make excuses that I am not able to do this because of a certain thing, because of this thing, that thing, tomorrow or today. Don't do that. Don't give excuses, because excuses sound best to those who make them. It is sounding best to those who make them. So if you are making excuses, today is very cold, today is very hot, today means I did not get my full quota of sleep, today my girlfriend isn't talking to me, today my boyfriend isn't talking to me, that is why I will not do a certain thing, then you aren't going to make it in this thing called life. See, your feelings have got nothing to do with your success. Whether you feel like doing a certain thing or not, you have to do your bit day by day, month by month, year by year. And every day in the morning, you write down 3 things which you have to do. And if you don't do those 3 things in that particular day, don't go to sleep. Write it down. Get up in the morning, write 3 things down. The 3 things which you want to accomplish during that day. That makes it 90 things in a month. 90 things in a month. So that is how you build your life, your career. You see, never think of the destination. Think of that present moment. Think of your next step. That is important. Don't think about the entire process. Oh, how will that happen? Oh, I have to go so many miles. No, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Let me see if there is any questions. No, I don't expect a 10% correction till 20th of January. No, Mr. Rohan, in gold and silver, no, I'm not expecting that to happen. No, I'm not expecting. So people, listen, this is a program for the American markets, gold and silver in dollars. So people who want to, please do not ask me about the Indian stocks or the Indian stock market. This live streaming is not for that. So that is basically what I wanted to tell you all. So we will meet in our next video. God bless you all. Take care. And just okay. Silver has already touched $80.32. Next target would be $80.80. On this note, I'd like to end this video. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.